It's raining, guys, and I'm at my aunt's place and she's not even there. God, I have to wait until the rain passes and that's when I will go. It's been a long time. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my aunt's place and this is a typical Basotho house. This one here, it's called Mokhoro. I came to see her. She's not even here. This woman travels a lot. She's a hustler. She works and she's 60 something. How old is my aunt? 64? Yeah. And she works like she's very now they have different designs. So see this design. Yeah, she did design herself. Everything you see here, she did it herself. Yeah. You know, this is called plaid. I don't know if it was like plate type of thing. Yeah, there's also a design. She does it herself. She's not here, so I'm just gonna go because she has dogs and I'm scared that the dogs might come and bite me. I wish she was here though. I miss her. She came to my house not so long ago, but I wanted to come to see her house. I want to get my house. But yeah, guys, a typical Basotho house. 20 minutes later, my cousin arrived, and this was the dogs I was talking about. Look at so I'm heading off home, guys. The sun is out. Whew. It seems like it didn't even rain like 1 hour ago, but I'm heading off. I hope there's no dog when I'm because of you. Guys, I love dogs, but